This smoked salmon pasta is light, fresh and super creamy. One of those dishes that feels a little special without much effort. This might be one of the fastest pasta recipes you'll ever make, but honestly, it tastes amazing. If this recipe makes you hungry for more, subscribe for the next one.